Narrator, here's a test. Look at this image. Now look at this detail. Now look back. You just did something that every frontier AI model in the world fundamentally cannot do. This week, a benchmark called ActiveVision tested whether multimodal LLMs can do something humans do effortlessly: look around. Not answer questions about an image, actively observe, redirecting attention based on what they see. The results were devastating. GPT 5.5 at maximum reasoning effort solved only 10.6% of items. Claude Fable 5, which tops most reasoning and coding leaderboards, solved just 3.5%. Human participants averaged 96.1%. Even when models could write and run their own vision code, they couldn't catch their own failures, because catching those failures requires the active perception they lack. But it gets stranger. A separate paper showed that frontier language models struggle to copy text. Not complex reasoning, copying. The authors argue that text may be better viewed in 2D, because the 1D token stream loses positional information that humans use effortlessly. Then there's hypothesis discovery. A benchmark called Before the Action tested whether LLMs can generate novel, testable hypotheses before acting, the kind of prospective thinking that defines scientific reasoning. The results suggest this is a frontier capability that current models largely lack. And in a paper that's already generating discussion, a researcher argued that the missing ingredient in AI conversation isn't more capability but what he calls dimensional completeness, the expression of first-person stances around time, truth, entropy, and love that humans use as evidence of mind. The paper calls this perception engineering rather than consciousness, but the implication is clear: making AI feel like a mind may require different architecture, not just more scale. Narrator, the message from this week's research is humbling. We've built systems that can write code, solve math problems, and pass professional exams. But they can't look around a room. They can't copy text reliably. They can't generate hypotheses before acting. These aren't edge cases, they're fundamental capabilities that define intelligence. And we're only just beginning to measure them. This has been the Frontier AI